How to optimize Google local service ads quickly. In this video, we will explore some effective strategies to enhance the performance of your Google local service ads, helping you connect more efficiently with potential customers in your local area. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, these tips will guide you through optimizing your ads for better results. First, ensure that your business profile is complete and accurate. This includes updating your contact information, business hours, and service areas so potential customers have the most relevant information at their fingertips. Next, focus on collecting positive reviews. Encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback, as these reviews can significantly improve your ad ranking and help build trust with new clients. Regularly update and adjust your budget to stay competitive in the market. Monitor your ad spend and performance metrics to ensure you are investing wisely in areas that bring the highest returns. Use high-quality, professional photos to enhance your profile. Images can convey the essence of your business and attract more potential customers, so make sure they are clear and engaging. Set up and track conversions to measure success accurately. Understanding which leads turn into actual customers will help you tailor your strategy and focus on what truly works. Engage with leads promptly. A quick response time to inquiries increases the likelihood of converting potential customers into paying clients. Finally, continually test and tweak your ad components. From headlines to call to actions, incremental adjustments can lead to significant improvements in performance. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more insights.